Why comparing yourself to others can actually be a form of intelligence if done wisely. Now, I know on the topic of self worth, the general consensus is that when you're comparing yourself to others, it is actually a negative thing and can actually do harm because it leads to self minimization and essentially leads to decreasing your self worth. So, here are 3 tips that you can use to your advantage so you can compare yourself to others wisely. Tip 1. So, for every positive trait that you admire in that person, you want to balance it out by listing out a negative trait that you dislike. So understand this now, that every single person has every single trait, and there are over 4,000 human traits to the human personality. So by balancing out both positive and negative traits, you start to really take them off this pedestal and lower that infatuation that you once had with that person. Tip 2 is now you want to start to own these traits in yourself, because you can't see something that you admire in someone else without identifying it in yourself first. So when you start to own these traits, you can actually start to dissolve the comparison that you have. Tip 3 is now you want to ask yourself a masterful question. Ask yourself, what parts would you like to own in your own unique way? And when you ask yourself this question, you can start to master and evolve yourself with purpose and intention. And you start to increase your self-worth by asking yourself powerful questions and comparing yourself to others wisely.